A very good day to doctor and everyone. My name is Universiti. This is the metric number of AE190085. Today, our group will going to present for the group project for the course of integrated design project IDP with the title of development a solar power automated water spray SPAWS with rainwater storage for cooling system on rooftop. Firstly, I would like to introduce our group supervisor, who is Coach Maya IR Dr. Rahissam bin Abdurrahman. And next, I would like to introduce my group members. First is Uni Hamida binti Said with the metric number of AE190053. And second is Wan Muhammad Farhan bin Wan Muhammad Tulong with the metric number of AE190008. And the third is Wan Anis Alia binti Wan Muhammad Zainani with the metric number of CE190192. And the fourth is me, Wan Wei, and the fifth is Jia Hyung Yang with the metric number of AE190095. And we are from group EG7.
For the problem statement, in a hot weather, the indoor temperature is often be increased and people will experience the high temperature and hotter when resting or carry out their jobs at home. The high temperature often force people to purchase and install the cooling system, which air conditioning as compensating of temperature extremes. Unfortunately, the installation of air conditioner account for a high proportion of the energy consumed. This is indirectly contributing to electricity usage costs and increase the burden of people in paying the monthly electricity bills and account a large amount of global greenhouse gas emissions at atmosphere and result in the non-environmental friendly to the environment.
So our objective for the project is to design and develop a solar-powered automated water spray cooling system with utilizing rainwater reactor unit using Arduino and temperature sensor control the water flow. Our second objective is to analyze the optimum water flow rate and duration of water flow with temperature changes for cooling system under Malaysia climates.
So for this step analysis, we have five type of analysis, which is social, technological, environmental, economic, and political. And then for the social, our cooling system is the best solution to reduce indoor temperature to overcome hot temperature problem. And then for decreasing the power consumption and household expenses, and solar panel is used to save an energy without depending on national grid. Next is technological, to replace the utility grid with solar panel that utilize solar energy in generation of electricity for pumping the water from water tank. So as we know, solar panel is the world's fastest growing source of power. And then next is next is environmental, which is it will reduce the greenhouse gas emissions since solar is a renewable energy and then it significantly benefits to human, wildlife, and system. So for the economic, it will low cost for system installation and then reduce monthly power consumption. And we use rainwater as a water source, so it will save the water. Then entrepreneurship, since in this field we will assisting society in installation or maintenance process. Lastly, for the political, we have an NEM scheme, which is a net energy metering scheme to encourage Malaysia's renewable energy to uptake. Concept of the excess generated energy is allowed to export it back to grid.
So in our project, we are using Arduino as the processor. So these are the coding that we implemented in our systems. So for the first thing, which is the main function subsystem, is to pump the water with the water pump according to the ambient temperature. So the setting parameters of a temperature range is the main part for the systems. So these are the coding that used in the systems. So for the first thing, which is the temperature reading. So in this project, so we are using temperature sensor to sense the temperature and we show it up on the LCD display. So for the next time, which is the variable of the speed mode. So in this project, we are using 4 speed mode, which is 100%, 75%, 50%, and 0% to display the motor mode. So for the temperature, which is over 34 Celsius, so we will let the motor run in full speed mode. So for the temperature, which is between 31 and 34 Celsius, we will let the motor run in 70% speed mode. So for temperature is between 28 and 31 Celsius, so we will let the motor run in 50% mode. And for the temperature is lower than 28 Celsius, so we will let the motor run in 0 mode, which is the motor turns off already. So the purpose of this setting is to achieve the energy efficiencies of the systems.
Next, I will continue the presentation with the prototype demonstration. Firstly, the solar panel with the maximum power of voltage in 10 is being used in this project, and the solar panel is being used to capture the sunlight as a source of the radiant energy and being convert the solar energy into the DC electricity, and is being delivered to the solar charge controller. And next, this is the solar charge controller, and it's being connected with the 12 volt of the battery and the solar panel, and connected with the water pump together with the voltage regulator they use to ensure that the constant of the voltage supply throughout the whole cooling system. This solar charge controller shows 11.8 volt so as the voltage of the battery system, and the solar charge controller is being used to regulate the voltage and the current that is being delivered to the water pump, where the excess of the power is being stored in the battery system. And next, this is the 12 volt of the battery, where this battery is being used to store of the power that is being delivered from the solar charge controller, and it's used also to maintain the state of the charge and also prevent the overcharge occurred during the cooling system. And this is the discrete board with the temperature sensor, the Arduino, which is the microcontroller being set with the Arduino coding, and the display. And this display is being show the temperature and also the motor speed, where the motor speed will be changed in 3 speed according to the temperature in the outdoor surrounding. And next, the water is being flow out from the hole in the rubber pipe. And this PVC board is being used to replace with the rooftop and showing that the water is being flow out into the water drain, where this drain is used to store the water that is being flow out from the hole, and it is being flow into the water tank accordingly. And next, the water pump is being used to pump the water back to the system and shows as the recycle process in this project.
That's all from us. Thank you.